Alrighty, it's here, folks. It's here! Yay! Okay, now guess what? It finally came. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, screw that. Wow. Yay! Woohoo! Finally, look! Yay, me! It's already been opened. That's weird. But yay me! Got my little action camera. It's got pretty good reviews, and it's a whole lot cheaper than the GoPro cameras are. Get the lid off. There we go. It's falling apart already. There we go. That's probably part of the plastic casing. And here is the little camera. Awesome. Let's take it out of the casing. What is this? I don't know. Okay. Oh, this one has a little... That's a better case. There we go. And the reason I wanted this particular camera was because of this. It has a mic port, so you can put a microphone in it. Look how tiny it is. Wow. They said the volume's not real good on it. That's why I wanted one with a mic. So my other little camera, let's just say it's not very good. And I don't know why I'm shooting way over on the side there. So there you go. You get your charging port, your SD card port, some weird little I don't know what that is, some other weird little port. And then the microphone port. On the other side are up and down keys. Top. That looks like a volume key, doesn't it? Oh. I bet those are zoom in, zoom out. But that looks like a volume key on top. So, and of course, the standard camera mount on the bottom, and where you put your battery. Let's do this. I want to showcase it. There we go. And then I showcase it, and then I can't show you what's... Go. Okay, it came nicely packed. And I heard that they come with an extra battery, and I did not know that. Okay, so let's see what it actually comes with. It comes with some of the accessories, the mounts, and anybody familiar with action cameras knows what those mounts are. And this thing, I'm not doing a very good job of presenting, am I? And of course the cord, the charging cord, which is like a standard phone charger cord. couple more pads, which is nice because you usually only get one type of pad, so that's nice. Battery. Cleaning cloth. Okay, I'm gonna open this. No, it does not come with 2 batteries, so that's good. I did order 2 batteries and got those a couple of weeks ago, about a week or so ago maybe. And of course the little manual. So I can't wait. We're gonna play with this baby, but I've got to learn how to use it first. And it's gonna rain, so I need to pack it all up, get my butt home before it actually starts to rain. So I will show you some examples later. I'll charge this battery as well. And we will take it for a walk tomorrow if it's not raining. Although it has a rain case, it's not going to do you much good because you can't hear through these cases. So this is pretty cool though. This is so cool. Had to order this from Hong Kong, so it took forever to come. Oops, didn't do that right. Okay, so there you go. Yay! Don't know what that is. Oh well, we'll find out. We'll learn more about this camera in a while. ThiEye. This is ThiEye T5, I believe. That's funny. It doesn't even say it on the camera. But I believe it's the T5. I believe the T5 is the one that has the microphone. Okay, yeah, T5e. So that's the one. Not all of them have the microphone port, but this one does. So I'm going to take my toys home and lock up the office. We'll play with this later. Awesome! Awesome! I can't wait. Bye.